Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video with your boy. It's a nice 328 as well. I know the owner, but it's been driven by the wife today, so yeah. Guys, it is pretty hot today. Just put some gas, headed to my neighborhood. Going to the Kasi. Headed to my Kasi, boys. But yeah, you guys have been wanting a video with the E36, so I figured let's do a young POV for the boys. You guys have been wanting content on the E36, so why not give you some POV content with the E36? But yeah guys, I have a temporary solution for this steering wheel based on this thing. I'll show you guys later, but I don't know when I'll do it. But yeah, listen to this for a bit, boys. Shit. Guys, this car is spicy. Sorry guys for my loud or for my weird speaking. I'm busy chewing gum. But yeah boys, hope you guys are good. Welcome to another video with your boy Chance. I want to go do some preventative maintenance again on this car. That's the few stuff that I want to do. Hopefully I'll be able to do it, and that the weather doesn't disappoint me today. And yeah boys, hopefully I don't get stopped by the cops too. This car is pretty rough, but it's a Porsche car, so be quite chill. Damn, I haven't driven this car in a long time, boys. So today we're gonna just take it chill. I wanna chill. I might do maybe a few pulls, see how that is. But yeah guys, this is the gear. I don't know if you guys can see the, what's this, the rear view, but I think it's tilted down, so probably can't see it properly. I hope this angle is proper guys, because when I use the mic I can't actually see the visual, so it just tells me that my audio is connected, because I'm using the mic right now. And yeah boys, just gonna chill. And yeah guys, I can't wait to make more content on this car. It's just that there has been a lot of things happening, a lot of changes in my life right now, so yeah guys, the bills are gonna wait for a while up until I get adjusted with the new changes that are happening, and then continue the builds on the E30 and the E36, mainly the E36, way later on guys. Also guys, because I haven't driven this car in a long time, I just hate when the cars just park for a while, because now a lot of things I want to start breaking on the car when you don't drive the cars for a long time. So I told myself, let me check out the E36, give you guys some content, because also I didn't have any content for you guys. If you guys are watching the video today, today's a what? Today's a Thursday. I mean, today's a Wednesday. I gotta upload on Thursday, so yeah. After work shenanigans, boys. You know guys, like I always complain about my cars being slow, and then I get into this car, the E36. Damn. Like this car is so responsive guys. if I were to do that overtake back then with the Kia, damn, I would have still been pulling on the side. So, but yeah, this car's so responsive, it's so quick. I can't wait to take it on night runs and stuff, boys. Night runs, breakfast runs, but just to make it more neater, guys. But yeah, later on I'm gonna show you guys what I have planned for this car. There's a lot I want to do on this car, guys. Quite a bunch. But we'll get that sorted out, boys. I could have taken this off ramp, but I'm not ready for any roadblocks that are happening. I really hope this angle is proper, guys. But this drive might just be a vlog on its own, just so that I can give you guys more content, of course. And then whatever that I'm gonna do on the car today might be on another vlog, just to give you guys more E36 content. So I don't know, guys, I'll see on how this video turns out. Basically, I'm just running my thoughts, speaking my thoughts, because yeah, apparently I'm too quiet for you boys. So, but also some of you guys said I don't really need to talk much. And guys, the reason why my rear windows are both open because my front windows, the driver and the passenger window, are not opening up due to the window mechanisms. I do have the driver side window mechanism, just not the passenger side, so I want to get that too before I change all them out. But I mean, I guess I can still change the driver window mechanism because it's the one that I use the most. But yeah, this car is, it's really hot inside. It gets really hot inside. And the fact that I cannot open my driver window is annoying. So I'm always driving with the rear windows open, and I get a lot of wind noise, like those wind vibrations. I don't know if you guys can hear it on the audio, but yeah, just too bad, boys. It's crazy how this car also gets so many compliments, guys. Maybe I'm the one that judges the car a lot. Oh my god, this noise is bad. I guess maybe I'm the one that judges the car a lot because I know the flaws of the car. I know what I still need to do on the car. But people that see it from the outside like it, guys. They give me like a respect sign. Oh, bug. So, yeah, I don't know, guys. I'm just this, what, perfectionist. I like my car to be in a certain way. Also, giving you guys a POV with this type of steering wheel is just sucks. I don't like this, guys. But hey, man, I don't have any content, so I gotta do what I gotta do. I gotta show you, actually, this box better not come in my way. There's a huge box in the middle of the road. But yeah. For the boys, guys, this car moves. I just get in love every time with the car. Let me rather say, I get in love with the car every time I drive it, and when it's clean. I don't know if you guys have noticed that. Do you guys get more in love with your cars when it's clean than when it's dirty? Like every time this car is dirty, I just feel like I should rather sell it. But then the time that I clean it and it's all clean, looking good, I fall in love with the car again. It's pretty wild. And this car is so smooth, guys. But I wanna do my suspension, guys. Like you guys know, the drop on this car is from the compressing from post brake. Of course, it was just a quick job. But yeah, guys, I wanna do my suspension, change up like everything. But also, guys, I've also decided that I wanna make this car static. Throw in coilies, coilovers. I think I've put in way too much money in this car already, guys. So bagging it doesn't make sense. And also, it's the most powerful car in my fleet. So I really just wanna make it more stiff, you know. Of course, I can get performance struts, adjustable struts with the dampening and whatnot, but I think coilovers are gonna just make this car more solid. Like I said before, guys, I've been saying it, this car has a lot of body roll, so yeah, it's not really the greatest to drive in. So I think coilovers are gonna be the best mod for the suspension work on this car. Car catches speed like butter. And the sound of it, guys. Also, another thing, guys, the one thing that makes this car a bit loud, it's because it has an exhaust leak. So the pipe from the back box to the mid pipe is a bit open. We saw it last time when we were trying to diagnose the car or fixing the car when we had made the space, and we saw that we could have made it a bit more quieter if we connected it, and we were like, nah, this car just sounds so nice already as is. So we didn't connect the exhaust fully back together, so we just left it just a tiny bit. So it has that exhaust leak, but that's what gives it that raspy sound, that loud tone. So yeah, going to my neighborhood, boys. Hint, hint, nudge, nudge. One of my teachers used to say that. Hint, hint, nudge, nudge. Where was it? Was it varsity or high school? I can't remember. When they were giving us like a scope, like hint, hint, nudge, nudge. This is what you need to know. Was scared to go in. You know, guys, like BMWs, well, I guess right now I'm gonna say something that you guys already know, but BMWs already have this aura, guys. Like, people are scared to interrupt you on the road. But the car that I've experienced, what I'm talking about right now, is the E30, guys. Yo, that car has aura, guys. Like, people will not make you drive terribly when they see that car coming just behind them. People respect that car, guys. Why? I have no idea. But it's just the face, that aggressiveness, guys. You know, just makes that car so mean. What are they doing up there? What is happening now? But yeah, guys, these cars just have so much aura that people don't want to interrupt you. They'd rather move to the side, give you right of way, and then you do your business. But the car that I've experienced that a lot, even inside the townships, guys, it's the BMW E36. Yes, that car is aura for days. No one will ever make you drive nonsense in that car. No one. This one I'm not so used to, guys. And I'm pretty sure I've driven this car not more than 10 times from ownership, guys. And mind you, I've owned this car before the E30 FSZ, the white car. Way before that. Okay, not way, but like I bought it months before I got the E30. And I've driven this car probably around 10 times, let me rather say. And I've driven FSZ many more times, guys. But yeah, this might be just a ride along. I might join this video with a drive back, but for now, yeah, this was a nice chit chat with you guys. I didn't really drive wild, but I really hope you guys enjoyed it either way. Listening to my my broken English, my nonsense speaking.
What did he say?
What am I even saying, guys? But yeah, but I really enjoy this car, guys, and I'm gonna try to enjoy it more for you guys because you guys love this car a lot. So yeah. But I want to do a full exhaust on this car, guys. I want to do something crazy, but I don't know because I have so many plans with this car. But I'm gonna make another video showing you everything about this car, what I like, what I don't like, what should have been done properly, what wasn't done properly. There's just so much that I still need to do on this car, guys. But I'm gonna make another separate video of that sometime soon. No, especially because I don't have any content, guys. I haven't had any content. I don't go to many shows anymore. And there's so many sounds on this door card. I just need new door cards. Get them reupholstered with the seats and the steering wheel. This car is loud. Oh damn. But yeah, boys, I guess I'll catch you later on. I'm gonna stop this video now. Hey.